Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. For your information, your cashier terminal, ordering terminal, and eWaiter tablet order is sharing the same floor plan. All tables status is updated. Today, I'm going to show you how to open new table number, how the system autos reflect on each table status. Click on Floor Plan button. Now the floor plan show the default floor 1. Table color is indicate the current status. Green color is table ready status, means is ready to serve new customer. Let's choose a table under ready status. Table selected is capture. Click on OK button. Click on guest seated button. You are about to reserve the table for your guest. Confirmed. Let's go back to floor plan to check it out. Table color from table ready status become guest seated status. Let's select the same table, place some orders. Click on hold sales button. Now the color change to food ordered status. At this period, your chef staff able to received kitchen docket and start prepared the food. After food is served and finished dine, customer will ask for the bill. Select the same table, proceeds to print the bill. Customer present bill is printed. Now the current table change to bill printed. Let's make settlement on this receipt. The table status now become table dirty status. Once the table is done cleaning and setting, click on the Set Table button, so table status change back to ready to serve for the next customer. Table status not used, required to manually changing at table number setup at main menu screen. Table number follows by asterisk, mean these table number have more than one bill. Select this asterisk table and click the View Sub-Bill button. Table 4 had another 2 sub-bill in the same table, which is table 4.1 and 4.2. View button is to view orders detail for that entire receipt. Both sub-bill original is split from table 4. Let's view the table 4 receipt orders detail. Bill is still under open status. There is a good feature I would like to share to you. You may view back the previous customer orders from that table although the bill already closed. Awesome, isn't it? We support maximum 6 floor plans. Over here I'm only activate 2 floor plans. Indicate as indoor and outdoor. Open a new table now. Choose the packs numbers as well. You may skip these guest seated step if your customer is ready for place orders. How to activate this function button? Just right-click, select New or Edit. Select Function button, look for Function Start Floor Plan, which already pre-built in our system. I think I'm covering up most of the floor plan features that we had in this tutorial. Make use of our features and enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.